Starting an online business used to take weeks. You needed product research, a website, branding, product descriptions, and honestly, most beginners quit before they even launch. But recently I found an AI tool that literally builds an entire Shopify store for you in minutes. And today I'm going to show you exactly how it works, step by step, and how beginners are using AI to launch e-commerce stores faster than ever. Shopify Dashboard AI, Generating Store, Product Pages, Mobile Store Preview, AutoDS Dashboard.
Ready to level up your workflow with tools that actually make a difference? Here we review AI apps and clever platforms that help you save time and boost your results. Everything is explained clearly, so you can follow along and start using these tools right away.
Now, obviously, this isn't some magical press one button and become rich overnight thing. You still need marketing, consistency, and effort to make sales. But what AI can do is remove a lot of the hardest parts that stop beginners from starting in the first place. That's why I wanted to show you this tool called BuildYourStore AI. It basically helps automate the setup process for Shopify dropshipping stores. So instead of spending days building a store from scratch, AI helps you launch way faster. Let me show you exactly how this works. So this is BuildYourStore AI. The main idea is simple. You choose a niche, and the AI helps generate a ready-to-launch Shopify store with products, pages, and design already built in, which is honestly huge for beginners because setting up stores is where most people get overwhelmed. According to the platform, the setup is beginner-friendly, stores are optimized for mobile products are already added, and you can customize everything later if you want. And these stores actually look pretty clean. Alright, first thing you'll do is choose your niche. Now, if you're new to e-commerce, a niche is basically the category your store focuses on. You could do fitness pets, gadgets, beauty home products, fashion, or trending viral products. My advice? Don't overthink this part too much at the beginning. A lot of beginners get stuck trying to find the perfect niche instead of just launching and learning. So let's say we choose gadgets. Next step is connecting Shopify. Shopify is basically the platform running your online store. And one thing I like is that Shopify usually has beginner offers available, so you don't need a huge budget to test things. The process is honestly straightforward. Create account, connect your store, follow setup instructions. And this is where the AI starts doing most of the heavy lifting. Now this is the cool part. With literally a few clicks, the AI starts generating homepage design, product pages, product descriptions, collections, branding structure, mobile optimization, and this is the finished result. Honestly, for something generated this quickly, this looks surprisingly professional. And the mobile layout actually matters a lot because most e-commerce traffic comes from phones now. Now, obviously, a store alone doesn't make money. You still need products and fulfillment, and that's where AutoDS comes in. Now this is where things get even more interesting. Instead of switching between different apps, AutoDS now integrates directly with Claude AI through its MCP integration. That means you can chat with Claude and have it access your AutoDS account to help manage your e-commerce business. For example, you can ask Claude to search the AutoDS product catalog, find winning products, or recommend trending items for your niche. But it goes beyond product research. Claude can also generate store reports, analyze performance dashboards, audit your product drafts, and review your store setup to help identify areas for improvement. And once you've found a product you like, Claude can even help upload and publish it directly to your Shopify store through AutoDS. It creates a much more streamlined workflow, allowing you to manage key parts of your business using natural language instead of navigating multiple menus. Of course, AI is still a tool. It can speed up research and automate repetitive tasks, but building a successful store still depends on choosing good products, creating effective marketing, testing different strategies, and staying consistent over time. Now let's talk about the part everyone cares about. How do people actually get traffic to these stores? The biggest strategy right now is short-form content. A lot of e-commerce beginners are using TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts to post product videos and drive traffic organically. One viral video can sometimes bring thousands of visitors to a product page. And honestly, this is why AI tools are becoming popular, because instead of spending weeks building a store, you can spend more time actually learning marketing and getting traffic. So overall, do I think AI replaces the work completely? No. But I do think tools like BuildYourStore AI make e-commerce way more beginner-friendly than it used to be. Especially if you've been procrastinating, you don't know how to design stores, or you just want a faster way to launch. And honestly, The hardest part of e-commerce isn't clicking buttons, it's actually getting started. So if you want to try Build Your Store AI for yourself, I'll put the link down below in the description. You can check it out, explore the features, and see if it's something that fits what you're trying to build. And if you want more videos on AI side hustles, e-commerce, Shopify, or beginner online business strategies, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.